When it comes to students and their studies, the trap of social media is a very real problem. Social media has become an integral part of our everyday lives, and students are no exception. While social media can be a great way to stay connected with friends and family, it can also be a major distraction from studies. The ease of access to social media on our phones, computers, and tablets makes it hard to ignore. Students often get pulled into the trap of scrolling through their feeds, and before they know it, hours have passed, and they have not done any of their schoolwork. The problem of social media distraction is even more exacerbated when students are living in a dorm or apartment away from their parents. Without parental oversight, students can easily get carried away with their online activities. It is not uncommon for students to stay up late into the night, scrolling through their feeds and engaging in conversations on social media instead of studying for their upcoming exams. This can have a serious impact on their academic performance. When students fail to manage their time properly and spend too much time on social media, their grades can suffer. They may also be unable to keep up with their coursework and assignments, leading to even lower grades. Of course, it is important to recognize that social media can also be a helpful tool for students. It can be a great way to stay connected with friends, to find out about what is going on in their school, and to join groups that are related to their studies. However, it is important for students to use it in a responsible way. One way to do this is to set boundaries. Students should set a limit on the amount of time that they spend on social media and stick to it. They should also turn off push notifications so that they aren't tempted to check their phones every time there is a new update. It is also important for students to take breaks from social media and focus on their studies. They should set aside specific times during the day when they can take a break from their feeds and focus on their schoolwork. This will help them stay focused and productive. Finally, students should make sure that they are using social media in a positive way. They should avoid getting into heated debates and arguments, as these can be a major distraction from their studies. Facebook, TikTok, and Instagram are not going anywhere, but wasted time cannot be returned for your studies. Focus now. You can.